Hello traders, RexorTrades here. Now in this video, we'll be doing our weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday 19 November 2021, if you look on the GBPJPY chart on a weekly time frame and zoom out, you can see how beautifully GBPJPY has been moving in this beautiful uptrend channel for a really long time. Now when GBPJPY in the previous weeks retested this key zone and also this uptrend line over here, and in this week on the start of this week how GBPJPY gained this huge bullish momentum, it might seem like GBPJPY okay retested this uptrend line and now it's going continuing this uptrend move over here with this huge bullish momentum. But then again at the end of this week you can see how bearish GBPJPY closed. Like you can see all this price rejection over here at the end of this week. So GBPJPY looks kind of bearish to probably retest any of these key zones over here. But then again a retest to this key zone and a breakout of this uptrend line might not be meaning that GBPJPY is shifting towards the downtrend line on the long-term point of view from this uptrend line over here, unless GBPJPY makes a break and close below this key zone over here, because that's a really important key zone that GBPJPY has to make a break out of to continue shifting towards a downtrend from this uptrend channel that it has been following up for a really long time. So if you go to shorter time frames like daily time frame, then you can see the downtrend line that GBPJPY has been respecting to make the pullback towards this uptrend line on the longer time frame right around here. Now you can use this downtrend line and also this key zone over here, the highest point that it made in the previous week. You can use this key zone and also this downtrend line as a confirmation to see if GBPJPY is continuing in this uptrend line or not. So the idea is that if GBPJPY makes a breakout of this downtrend line and also this key zone, then it might mean that GBPJPY already made this pullback and is continuing its uptrend channel that it has been following up for a really long time. A breakout of this key zone would mean that. But then again, if GBPJPY doesn't do that, if GBPJPY continues to respect this key zone and continues to break and close below this key zone over here that you saw, then GBPJPY might be coming to retest any of these key zones over here. Now let's go to even shorter time frames like 4-hour time frames. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see GBPJPY after making a breakout of this whole structure over here to retest this key zone, GBPJPY following up with this downtrend line got back in this structure over here again with this bearish momentum over here. Now it's kind of like consolidating between this and this key zone over here. Now if GBPJPY breaks and close above this key zone, then it might be coming towards any of this key zone or maybe retest this downtrend line again before heading out with more bearish momentum to retest any of those zones that you saw on daily time frame or weekly time frame. So you can wait to see for a breakout below this key zone, then look for short entries in speculation of GBPJPY to be retesting any of these key zones over here. So that's my analysis on the both side. That's my bias on both side, whether on the short side or on the long side. Wait for the break of structure, wait for the breakout of those zones that I discussed to you guys on the shorter time frames like 4-hour time frames, and then look for entries whether on the bullish side or on the short side. That's much more safer way to trade rather than jumping in trades just because it retested any of these key zones over here. So that's my analysis for the upcoming week on GBPJPY. And also if you want to see the trades I take, then make sure to follow me on Instagram page as well. That's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video.